Hello guys, welcome to making this great adventure. Oh, so it's working, honey?
Yeah, I don't know if
The light is work. Open that.
don't see anybody in there.
Let me see. Oh, it's a brand new. It smells good. We are here in San Diego, guys. By the way, we're getting our 28 footers, huh? 28 footer.
Yep, 28 footer.
28 footers trailer.
Was it Gordon Foods and
Yeah,
Aberdeen,
Gordon
Maryland.
Food. And then we take this to Maryland, right?
Aberdeen. Gordon Food Service.
Yeah.
2,715 miles.
2,715 miles. That's awesome. Yeah. Oh my God, it's take it's take a while before we get here because it's too much
my
traffic.
Yeah.
The traffic is crazy.
500 miles. Took a little over 8 hours. That sounds like that's pretty good, but it's not. It's 50 mile an hour average the whole way.
Yeah, why the one light is not work?
It is.
No, I mean not blink something.
You just have one light on each side that blinked.
Okay. All right. We're going inside the truck. And then we are done for today. We're gonna find the truck stop because our hour is gone. We have 8 hours already, honey, or no?
Huh?
We have 8 hours already, or no?
Yeah.
Here, oh my God, the traffic is horrible. The traffic is very, very horrible, guy. Whole day. Are we done?
Yeah. There's no seal on it.
Okay, so
They don't have a seal mark, so I guess there's no seal on it. So you would have the seal number right there.
yeah, nothing.
Sometimes they pop one on up here.
Maybe they're gonna put over there, or no need. Maybe we have a lock there, so we can put the.
Yeah, with that lift gate. Probably figure. And I look, there's nobody in there that tried to sneak across the border, so we're pretty good to go.
Oh my God, my body is tired. It's like I don't have energy because all we eat is the one what call that every morning,
Our pastry.
pastry one, and then
I think I told people about that. If you ever have a chance,
I eat.
we only see it at truck stops. It's Bon Appetit.
Yeah.
May likes the blueberry filled pastry, and I get the berry and cream cheese pastry. But it's only like, I think May's is 210 calories. Mine's 230.
That's why I make popcorn because I feel like my body is just like shaking. I don't know. I'm freaking hungry because you know, guys, I'm not. It's 1 week now. That's since I'm not eating
At midnight tonight, it'll be 1 week and 2
the
days.
rice.
Midnight
So-
tonight, it'll be 1 week and 2 days, baby, since
Yeah.
you had rice.
Imagine that.
9 days.
Because rice is life, right? So
Yeah.
that's my
I think you should reward yourself on when we take our 34 on Sunday. You should allow yourself a little rice as a reward.
I don't know.
Even most diets, they
It's like
say,
I don't have a. If I eat the rice, it's like my body is strong and you know. But yeah,
well, that's up to you. I know when Sundays are my day, I don't worry about it. I eat whatever I want.
yeah. So we're almost on the gate, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So we are out.
free.
We're free.
Got our big monster 28-foot trailer on the back.
And then now we going to turn around.
Yeah, this is how you gotta do it here. A lot of guys make a U-turn. I like to just go down this street, make a right, go up to the next one, make a right, go to this, back to this street, make a right. Once we get out of there, I'm always in a relaxed mood, so.
600 feet.
We actually,
Okay, now to watch.
May and I are getting better. We actually only missed our trailer one
You have
time.
a lot of junk over here, honey. You
Yeah.
have a lot of junk.
Yeah. Right, baby? We're getting better. We only missed our trailer once this time. When we came back up through, we found it.
I think we are both hungry.
Yeah.
That's why we passed the trailer already, and then we did not see.
It's,
We never see that.
that's the weirdest thing. They can
We never saw the trailer.
they can
0.2 miles, turn
pick
right
out
on
a street
Sullivan
sign a half a mile away,
810 feet.
or the entrance of the truck stop while we're getting off the exit. She can already find where it's at. Some of them are confusing.
600
But when we
feet,
go
turn
in,
right on Sullivan
Susie,
Street.
shut up.
Right on 810 feet.
When we go in to get a trailer, neither one of us can ever seem to find it on the first pass. We're gonna go to, I'd say it's becoming our new favorite Southern California truck stop.
600 feet.
Yeah.
It's
Seaford Road.
La Media truck stop. It's $10 to park, but it's clean inside. The people are nice. It's not a jam full parking lot.
Yeah.
So
Except for the bathroom, it's just only one
yeah, but it's not that busy. I mean,
toilet. What is?
yeah. I mean, the men's room, there's a couple, but it's not a real busy place, so it's not real bad that the bathrooms aren't big. But yeah, we like it. It's easy to get to, lots of room to back in.
Yeah, for the lady, just only one.
I think if
It's nice if they're put even two.
yeah,
You know.
I think if we fueled there, probably parking would be free, but you know, it's like $4.20 a gallon for fuel in California. I'd rather pay the $10 parking. And we had to get fuel. The TA we stayed at with my discount through Towaway. We paid $3.98. I was just thrilled to death that we could get fuel for less than $4. And I just got 75 gallons, and I got what I knew would get us over to Arizona, get us down here, and then over to Arizona. You have to buy a certain amount of fuel.
Left on C8905 West, C8905 West.
Susie just can't stand when she's not getting all the attention. You have to buy a certain amount of fuel in every state, or you got to pay fuel taxes. So it doesn't hurt, even though it's pricey, to buy fuel every now and then over here.
Yeah.
We'll get like usually 30 gallons or 40 gallons, enough to get us out of the state. But this time we were in this state till we get out, it'll be 1,300 miles we drove in California this time. We'll show you our cute little truck stop when we get over there.
there, guys. That's where we stay. I hope there's a parking. Oh, I see the one.
We're in a little pup we can squish in somewhere.
And then we're gonna
There's a
find what our dinner for today.
The truck stop to our left that I went into.
There's a Starbucks there, honey.
Approaching
I'm
destination.
gonna let you go over there and get me coffee tomorrow morning, Debbie. I'm gonna be nice enough to let you do that for me. Just wake me up after you get the coffee.
There's a Starbucks and I don't know what else, but yeah. What kind of fruit is that? Is that fruits or no?
I don't know.
I think you can park two truck, right? I mean,
There are any lines there. Whether it's parking, we're parking there. Maybe it's free here.
I don't think so. No more free on this time.
I don't think California is gonna have anything free.
I'm wondering what kind of stuff is that? I mean, what kind of tree? There's a fruit.
Whoever video it, that maybe somebody watches on it.
Gonna go here in the tree and I try to watch what kind of tree is this. Ah, something that has the seeds. Look, that's awesome. Wow. The red thread is a seeds. The seed is just like something kind of. It's a little.
I don't know what it is. Maybe
I
you
don't
can't
know.
eat it.
I think you don't. Maybe that's a poison.
Yeah,
It's cool.
I don't know. Hopefully somebody watching knows.
Yeah. Our dinner, I'm gonna cook squash and green beans with pork. So this is our dinner for tonight. The meat is cooked. Oh, the water is too small left already. Oh. Then I'm going to put the squash and beans. Alright guys, so we have fish.
Get ready.
This one, I'm gonna cook this on the fryer, the fish. So our food today, our dinner today is vegetable and fish. It's exciting, it's yummy. Like, what call this? I can't wait, I'm hungry.
Wish you
Hungry,
guys
hungry.
could smell this. Oh my god, it smells good.
That's my vegetables. I think it's done now. It's done, honey. Yep.
Fish will be quick. They won't take long.
Woohoo!
You tell everybody that's bass. That'll be your first time eating bass.
Yes. So this is done, guys, and I'm going to cook the fish. Alright, guys. So it's time to eat. I'm done cooking the fish.
I'm gonna get. Should I get more light on?
Yeah. Yep.
There we go.
This is our fish.
Now
I
everybody
cook
can
this on the fryer.
air fry.
And, yeah, in the air fryer. And then we have vegetables. We don't have rice, guys.
Nope. This is day 9, May. No rice.
Yeah, no rice.
I'm proud of her. That's what she wants.
Yep.
This is bass. They never ate bass. And ironically, we got it at the Philippine store in Sacramento.
Yeah. I tried to eat this. This is my first time to eat this one. Bass.
Catch this right out of the Susquehanna River there in New Buffalo. Like it.
It's good. Like the meat is no, I mean tasty. It's like there's no, the meat is like some of the like a no smell. Some of the fish, if you eat it,
Yeah, the smell's strong.
you can taste the smell, right?
Yeah.
This one is nothing.
Yeah, I like bass. Eating bass my whole life. I've lived right there along the river my whole life.
It's good, guys.
Sometime when we're home, maybe we can go fishing and catch something.
Yeah.
They're great when fresh right out of the river. You get home, you fillet it, put it right on the grill. You do it right away.
Yep.
Don't know it.
It's delicious. Let's eat, guys.
Is that a big bone in there?
Yeah, because I use the pork chop.
Oh, okay.
I cut it,
Oh, so
the small
okay.
pieces, and then make this to the vegetables.
Ready? I think I might. I don't eat quite as much as I used to. Since I don't, my stomach shrunk a little, so now it's nice because I fill up quick, but I think I'm going to eat both pieces of my bass today. I'll find room somehow, force it in there.
That's it, guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time,
Take care. Bye.
see you guys.